colleagues and the students and the Akash team. And NEET 2025, I will say rather much awaited result this year because of the change of pattern where many students were worried. We all were with them during this final answer key released by the NTA and the results also. I am very happy to share with you all that Akash, which has been the leader in the NEET preparation in India in past 36 years, has proved yet again that whatever is the changing pattern of the NEET remains. Akash knows the ways and means to send the students into the top-notch medical colleges in India. So this year also in the NEET examination, NEET 2025, Akash has given 5 classrooms students in top 10 AIR. So the All India rank 2, 3, 5, 9 and 10. All these 5 students are our regular classroom course students. The students who have done the proper classroom program with Akash. Not only this, nearly 35 students are there who are in top 100 AIR from Akash Institute from the classroom programs. So this is a very massive success in the NEET examination. The results of Akash have always been known among the parents for their authenticity and the genuine results what we publish. So all these students who are there on the rank 2, we are having a child named Utkarsh. Rank 3, All India rank 3, we have Krishank. All India rank 5, we have Avika. All India rank 9, we have Harsh. And All India rank 10, we have Arav. All these are our 3 and 1 year classroom students. Not only this, from our Telugu states also we have done wonderful performance in this year NEET examination. Now from our states we are having Mr. K. Nikhil Sai, who has secured the rank 297. A big round of applause for Nikhil. Kunal M with the AIR 479, Rutvik with the AIR 557 and Tejeshwar with the rank 620 till now what we have counted. And there are many more students who have secured marks above 500. So this year we are going to see many more doctors, or I will say rather more doctors entering into the medical colleges from our all the branches across Andhra Pradesh. And this all credit goes first of all to the parents to give them support in the house, home, and then motivating them every day, being with their performance every day. Many times in these 2 years performance has gone up and down. But as a parent, you stood with them, have given them the confidence and the courage that keep doing it, you will succeed one day. So a big round of applause for all the parents who are present here. And then our all academic mentors from Akash who have worked relentlessly with them 24/7, may it be a smaller doubt, may it be a bigger doubt, may it be an important doubt or may it be a silly doubt. They have never taken it lightly. They have worked with these students hand in hand, given them the whole mentorship, a family culture and the support to them so that they can handle the stress and the performance in these kind of tough examinations. Once again, the Akash material, the testing ecosystem what we deliver in our branches has proved unmatched in India as far as performance of students in NEET 2025 is concerned. I hope this gives lot of confidence to the students who are aspiring for the NEET 2026, may it be by their long-term program or maybe in 2-year program of NEET 2027. All those students will get lot of confidence over the Akash ecosystem. Many students this year where they could not achieve their desired marks, we are running a very important Akash long-term program for them, where we are going to prepare these students with the help of lot of AI innovation what we have done in the form of concept Gundali and the unmatched testing material and the study material what we are going to give to them along with the well-known academic mentors of the Akash. So once again my best wishes to all our topper students from Andhra Pradesh, especially from Visakhapatnam, the students who are present here, and our all India students who have qualified with such wonderful marks and the ranks in the NEET 2025. Our best wishes to all of them. Thank you so much for joining me in this press conference.